Everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add PulseChain Network right on your Metamask. And then in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy some PulseChains directly from your Metamask. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video regarding the updates, you're going to be updated. Without further ado, let's get started. So looking at Metamask wallet, you can see that it has been updated. A new feature has just been added. You can see the interface has changed. So right now, for you to be able to add your PulseChain to straight up into your Metamask, what you're going to be doing is to click on right here. You click on this browser right here. So you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you allow it load. But while you're doing this, ensure that your network is stable, all right? Then as soon as it pops out this, just go ahead and type this, okay? Type PulseChain right here. All right, you can see that it's even showing down there. So as soon as you type PulseChain, it's going to load up. It's going to load up the network. All right, it's going to load up the network. This is the network, okay? Because I typed this, it loaded out the network for me. All right. So you now scroll down a little bit and then you click on where you have this add to Metamask. You tap on it. Okay. As soon as you tap on it, you allow it to install. Okay. Like after a few minutes, it's gonna install. And how you know that it has been connected is that you will see this sign over here. This sign over here means that it has been connected, okay? You can also toggle this on to add the related testnets, all right? To add other related testnets that are under built under this PulseChain, all right? So here's how to add it up. You just tap on this. As soon as you tap on this, make sure that it is showing this, okay? Make sure it is showing green. So as soon as you type that, as soon as you tap on that green button that just highlighted, it's going to load up this, okay? It's going to load up this. Now you click on this confirm to add it immediately. Then you click on this confirm right here. It's going to load up this, all right? As soon as it loads up this, go ahead and click on confirm to add it automatically to your chain, to your chain list, all right? To add it to your chain list. Now you have done that task, okay? So now how you know it has been added, you have to go back to your home. And then as soon as you go back to your home, you can now click on the list of available, you can check the list of, click here to see the list of available network that were just previously added. And then you can come over here and see that PulseChain has just been added, okay? PulseChain has just been added to the list, all right? So you can see it right there, okay? So when you tap on it now, it's going to load up the mainnet right here on your Metamask. Okay, I have just loaded up the mainnet on my Metamask. You can see here, this is the mainnet and this is the token that was just added. So that is how you go about this process. Okay, if you like this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video, you're going to be updated. See you in the next video.